After our time spent up around Cape York, we ran into a few mechanical dramas that sent us back to Cairns with a bit of speed. We were having starter motor issues around the tip, but it completely fouled us while we were refueling in Cohen. We managed to crank it over again, but had to order a new starter motor in Cairns, so we decided to drive as close as we could without turning the car off. We also had 2 bushes that needed replacing in the upper control arm and the steering rack. After Nolan's, we were also suspicious that we might have got water in the gearbox, so with an auto trans flush and a full service done, we were ready to hit the road. While we were waiting for all of the parts to arrive in Cairns, we decided to stop in at Lake Tinaroo, located in the Atherton Tablelands about an hour and a half outside of Cairns. As our car was having a few days off, we decided to hit up the next best chauffeur in town, Ash, with her D22 Navara. So today we went on the jungle walk at Cowrie National Park. Neeks absolutely digged it. Hey Neeks.
A few battle scars, battle wounds.
What happened to your boots?
I just went for a bit of a walk in the creek.
Yep.
Deeper than I expected.
And yeah, battled off a few leeches.
But if we don't get down.
Yeah, attacked by leeches. Yeah, can I have that for a sec? And now we're just going to sit back and
Drink the afternoon away.
Drink the afternoon away with all of this amazing weather that we got.
Yeah.
Nature.
I'm not really sure where the track is though. Can anybody...
Oh, looks like we're getting wet feet.
Oh, there.
You watch, I'll forward when we get to the water. Whoop. Wow, nice balance.
Nailed it.
What'd you say?
It's cinematic. Get that echo.
Are you right?
Yes.
Love cool bridges?
Just love bridges. Awesome.
How good's the walking track? So Danica wanted to go to the Carrington Falls infinity pool, and Ash's car isn't working properly with her 4-wheel drive, so we had to walk, and so far it's the stupidest decision we've ever made. That hill was vertical. Anyone got any regrets yet? Nope. All regrets?
I think I can drive around.
So walking along the train line at the moment. Ash reckons, the expert that she is, that this train line is out of action, but also could be just previously restored and back in action. But at the end of the day, If we all die, it's still on Neeks.
Oh.
She was so desperate to get here.
She's not desperate.
And she was keen. It's a pretty cool little walk. Hopefully we come across the falls somewhere in the next 10 hours. What did you think about the waterfalls?
Underwhelming.
Yeah. Well, I don't know where that infinity pool was. It was, I mean, it could have been there, but it was not that accessible. But the drone shots look cool, and Neeks makes an awesome starfish, so that works for us. What are your thoughts on Lake Eacham?
Oh look, it's pretty bloody beautiful.
Yep.
But you know what would be more beautiful?
What would be even more beautiful?
If the sun was
Oh yeah? When was the last time you saw daylight?
there. It's been, I don't know, 2 weeks?
Yeah, look, it's been a fair while. We could deal with a bit of sunlight right now. What do you think?
Good sunset.
It'd be a great sunset.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Oh.
So beautiful.
So, we haven't done anything in the last like 2 to 3 days because, you know, we've been getting car repairs and stuff done. Cape York life. However, today we're going to Clamshell Falls, and this hike, it's been enough for Neeks to take her top off. She's pretty steep. It's raining. It's pretty nice. Yeah, that's it for now. Say bye, Neeks.
Bye.
Absolutely wild! It was great to have a working car again and get out to see a few more waterfalls. With the car back in tip-top shape again and us all waterfalled out, it was time for us to finally hit the road and push some scenery past the windows. Join us in our next episode as we make our way over to Magnetic Island. It was awesome to be back by the ocean again and finally get the chance to dip our toes back in the sand.